Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the properties of integration. In case of properties of integration, there are 7 to 8 properties. According to that we can simplify a question. Sometimes the power of a statement is given too much high. It is not possible for us to break that power. In that case, these properties will help us to simplify a question. So let us discuss about the properties. Number 1. F of x dx from a to b, the limit is given if you change this function into another variable, but after changing into another variable there is no change occur in limit, then you can simply change the function of x into another variable t. For example, if you substitute x is equal to t, its derivative dx is equals to dt. So simply the value at a of x and value at the b of x is remains same. There is no change. So such type of property apply only when we want to change the variable, but keep it in mind the limits is not changed. Number 1. Second property, f of x dx from a to b. If you remember, yesterday we discussed a question. In that case we discussed the lower limit is always smaller and upper limit is always larger. Luckily, after simplification, after substitution, if you observe the lower limit is larger and upper limit is smaller, in that case you have to interchange the limits. See this one, lower limit becomes upper limit and upper limit becomes lower limit, and introduce a symbol of negative. This is only when value of lower limit is more than value of upper limit. Remember it. Third, f of x dx from a b. See this one, this is the property which is we used. What? A b, it is a to c and from c to b, where c is the value which is lies in between a and b. This property specially apply only whenever you have a question in the form of mode. So this property apply in the question of modes only, a to c and c to b. Now question property number 4, f of x dx from a to b is equals to fx, it is the same lower limit plus upper limit minus x, the limit remains same a to b. So this property is mainly applied when the function contain large power or power in the form of fractions. In that case we utilize this property. 4 and 5 property are exactly same. If you see f of x dx from 0 to a, if we go for addition of 0 plus a, that is equals to a minus x. In this a plus b minus x. So same properties are there, but these properties are quite important because this property used by us in the maximum form. Property number 4 and property number 5. So these are the property, especially in the case of power. When we discuss the question, then we tell how can we apply these property. Property number 6. If you observe f of x dx limit from 0 to 2a. In this case, we break the limit from 0 to a, and we check the function of 2a minus x. See, we break the limit into the half part 0 to a, and change the function f of 2a minus x. Especially this property used when you have the function with a power, and after that implementation of this 2a minus x, there is no change occur in the function. See this one, its property is same like that. If this 2a minus x give its response negative, means minus of fx, then this plus fx, it is minus fx, the result become equal to 0. And if this result is equals to fx, then this result comes 2 times. See, this is the same property, 0 to 2a, it is 0 to 2a, 2 times of fx dx. If f of a minus x is equals to fx, the same result will be obtained. Then this go for addition, or f of 2a minus x is equals to minus of fx, then the result become equals to 0. And this is the last property, property number 8, in which you observe the function, the lower limit and upper limit are exactly same, but there is a difference of power, minus symbol, plus and minus. In that case we check whether the function is even or odd. means whatever fx he gave, we substitute x is equals to minus of x, then we check whether the function is even or odd. If the minus symbol is consumed and function become even, then the result becomes 2 times. If the function becomes odd, the result becomes equals to 0. The same category of these are function. So these are the main 8 properties. If you remember these properties, then you are able to do all the question. And remember one thing more, in these property you will get one question based on this property in your board examination. So be careful. Now see this question. The statement is given to you, sine of x power 3 by 2 sine of 3 by 2x plus cos of 3 by 2x. See, in this question the power is given to you in the form of fraction. So when power is given into the form of fraction or very large power is given, for example sine to power 7 upon sine to power 7 plus cos to power 7, like that, in that case we apply a property. And remember, see, the limit is 0 to pi by 2. So if you observe this property, 0 to a f of a minus x, we apply this property. See this one, I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x upon sine 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x cos 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x. So this is the equation number 1. Now see this one, after applying the property sine 90 minus theta, that is equals to cos theta, cos 3 by 2x upon, it is again cos 3 by 2x, it is sine 3 by 2x along with dx. It is equation number 2 from 0 to pi by 2. Whenever we apply this property from 0 to pi by 2, if the terms occur in denominator, we check after applying the property the denominator will not be changed. Only then this property can be applicable. Now see this one, after that adding 1 and 2, if we add 1 and 2, then I plus I, it is 2i, it is sine 3 by 2x plus cos 3 by 2x along with dx upon sine 3 by 2x plus cos 3 by 2x. The reason is that these two having the same denominator. If you observe, this denominator and this denominator are same, so when we go for addition, only the numerator term will be added. It is the main reason of the property that after applying the property we will get the same value of numerator and denominator, and these get cancelled. What is left? 2i integration of dx from 0 to pi by 2, or 2i is equals to integration of dx, that is x, limit 0 to pi by 2, I is equals to pi by 2 minus 0 along with 2. Your answer is pi by 4. So this is the use of property to simplify a question.